Before configuration, please assemble the FTTX kit according to the diagram. The entire kit is supplied with Chinese standard plugs, so a local plug adapter is required before use. Next, we will guide you on how to set up the FTTX kit with our Cloud INS. Step 1. Register and log in to VSOL INS. You can use your own deployed INS or VSOL Cloud INS in Singapore. Log into INS. Obtain the project ID. Step 2. Configure the connection between the OLT and INS. Log into the OLT web UI using the default IP address and credentials. You can find the login information on the OLT label. Here, you can see two Ethernet cables connected to the OLT uplink ports. GE1 is used for management and GE2 is used for service traffic. And create a service VLAN, for example, VLAN 6. Configure the service port GE2 with PVID VLAN 6 to separate service traffic from management traffic. In the service network VLAN 6, a VLAN IP must be configured on the OLT so that the OLT can access the Internet. Configure the default route for the service network. Check whether the OLT's community name is correct. Configure the connected INS server and project ID. Configure the DNS settings. Ping the INS domain to test if the network is functioning properly. Check whether the OLT has successfully connected to the INS server. Access INS to verify that the OLT is shown as successfully connected. Log into INS to remotely configure the OLT. Make sure auto learning is enabled and plug and play is disabled. Re-register the ONU. First, configure the Wi-Fi ONU. Here, we use the model HG3232AX30H as an example. Display the ONU details. Configure the TCONT. Configure the GEM port. Configure the service. Configure the port VLAN. Configure the WAN with routing mode enabled. Turn on NAT and VLAN. Set the service mode to Internet. Bind the port and finally submit to pre-configuration. Review the pre-configuration information and push it to the ONU. You can see that the ONU has successfully obtained an IP address and is connected to the Internet. Next, configure a single port ONU. Here, we use the model V2801RD as an example. Display the ONU details. Configure the TCONT. Configure the GEM port. Configure the service. Configure the port VLAN in tag mode. Step 4. Configure the connection between the Wi-Fi router and INS. Here, we take model HG5013 to 4th generation as a sample by providing the TR069 parameters before production. VSOL can set them as default in the Wi-Fi router's firmware for a ready-to-use setup. Configure the TR069 service on INS. You can view the current INS TR069 service configuration on this page. Then, connect the Wi-Fi router to the computer and connect the single port ONU to the Wi-Fi router. Access the Wi-Fi router's default IP to perform a quick setup. Configure the Internet access mode. In this example, use DHCP. Configure the Wi-Fi SSID and login password. Then reconnect to the Wi-Fi router. Click the config panel to verify that the Wi-Fi router has obtained an IP address. Click Advanced Mode and change the WAN service mode to Internet and TR069. Configure TR069 with the server URL. Configure the project ID. Send an active inform to the server to test whether the TR069 service is working. The result should show report success. You can see on INS that the Wi-Fi router has successfully connected. Use TR069 to configure the Wi-Fi router to support WAN, Wi-Fi, and LAN settings. The above illustrates the configuration of the VSOL FTTX kit on the VSOL INS platform.